Parents, it's time to apply for Greenville County Schools at-risk 4-year-old kindergarten program. Your child must turn 4 years old on or before September 1st, 2021. You can apply online January 11th through March 10th. Visit the Parents section of the GCS website for the application. If you do not have internet access, call 864-452-0437. Children selected for 4K programs must demonstrate academic or developmental needs and/or risk factors such as low family income and low parent education level. A child's primary custodial parent or legal guardian can submit the application. The GCS virtual program is not available to 4K students. For more information, please email 4k@greenville.k12.sc.us or call 864-452-0437.